Thank you for dropping by. Romano here, your Kuya and Uncle in Holland, the presenter of Channel Juan. This is the cooking and growing channel. It's a channel dedicated to showcasing our recipes from the homeland, our rich culinary tradition to the world. At the same time, we also want to expose our Panlasang Pinoy, our palate, to easily adoptable recipes from other countries. Most of our editions are in English, especially when we showcase our Pinoy recipes to the world. But when we explore recipes from other countries and introduce them to our mga kababayan, we do it in Taglish. Oo naman, Tagalog at Taglish kung ang putahe ay para sa ating Pinoy. Pero pang international, of course, English para ma-share natin sa buong mundo. During the summer months, we will be cooking at the garden, either inside my bahay kubo or outside. It depends on the weather. It is where we grow most of the ingredients, the vegetables that we use in our show, in our cooking show. But most of the cooking happens in a small kitchen. Browse through the playlist for your preferred food, from seafoods to meat dishes to cakes and even cocktails. There should be something that suits your taste, that suits your Panlasang Pinoy or Panlasang International. And if you prefer traveling over food, here's a channel for you. Our sister channel, Barrio My Mundo. It features places, events, people, and the flavors and sounds of the world. If you enjoy watching our show, consider subscribing, and better yet, share our Patria Dorada, and Romelo will highly appreciate it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified of our releases happening every Monday and Friday. We do live streaming usually during Wednesdays and Sundays. Until next time, and don't forget to come back. Bye-bye.